everybody, welcome in the next episode. My name's Bart and I'm very happy that you are watching the next video on that channel. In this one, as I mentioned previously, I would like to show you all my camera gear which I'm using on the daily basis to film those videos and to film all my stuff, and also for shooting, because I'm not only a YouTuber, my passion is photography and videography. I'm new in that niche, if I can say like that, so I'm still learning. I'm shooting a lot, I'm making some videos, few of them I shared with you, but I'm trying to develop my skills and my passion. And in this one I would like to show you what I'm using to shoot my videos and to shoot my photos, of course. So what is in my camera bag in 2022? I have to say that as I'm still a beginner, I do not have a lot of camera gear, so all my gear can be carried with me in this small bag, which is HAMA shoulder bag. Basically, I'm carrying all my camera gear with me when I go shooting or filming anything. This camera bag itself is quite sufficient for me on this stage. It has those adjustable compartments on the sides. It has zipped compartment on the front and a big one inside. Of course, this compartment can be adjusted by moving those materials on the left or right, and you can put one body with lenses or just a few bodies and one lens. It depends on your preferences. It has also this small zipped pockets on the cover when you can put some additional filters, batteries, memory cards, etc. And the main advantage of this one is also hidden on the back weather sealed coat, which you can put on the back on the go. For example, when it is raining and your stuff is protected against the weather conditions. And one more thing which I can add to this one, there are hidden some straps which are also adjustable. On that straps you can attach a tripod, so also you can carry your tripod attached to your camera bag. And that's it about the bag itself. Let's go to the camera gear. So my main camera body, which I'm using right now to film myself, this is Fujifilm X-S10 with the kit lens 18-55 and the BOYA mic attached on the top. And I have to say that this camera on the beginning stage for the hybrid shooter like me is a great choice. I have to say that watching the YouTube videos of other YouTubers, I don't see that many of them are using this Fujifilm camera, but from my experience and in my opinion, this is a very good, reliable and versatile camera for beginners. And for sure I will be reviewing this one in the separate video just to show you the performance of this camera. The next lens which I'm using to my main camera is a prime 23mm with the aperture 2.0. This one I'm using mostly for street photography shooting on the go, because this is a very good lightweight and sharp lens with quick autofocus. So I'm using it very often when shooting in the city, and this is an equivalent of 35 millimeters on the full frame, so quite a good focal range. In addition to my main camera, when I'm changing lenses on the go, I'm using this air blower, because if you want to have a clear image, you have to clean your lens before attaching to your body. Okay, what's next? Of course, when you are filming in the bright light outside, not like me right now, you should also need an ND filter to your camera, just to protect your image against overexposure. So I'm using quite cheap ND filter. This one is a variable ND filter from KNF Concept, and it is in the range of ND2 to 400, so quite a wide range of ND filters, and you can just switch it on the go by screwing the ND filter on the lens. Quite good, but of course you can buy something more expensive, probably with high quality, but this one is also sufficient for me in this beginning stage. Okay, my backup camera, if I can say like that, is of course this small beast, DJI Osmo Action, which I reviewed shortly in previous videos, but of course I will be showing you this camera in the future videos. And I'm using this one with dedicated PGYTECH cage, when I can attach some additional light, for example, and for example a boom mic if I'm using this one as my vlogging camera. So it's quite small setup. And of course the PGYTECH handle with tripod and selfie stick all in one. Just a great option to have a small reliable setup with everything in one place. And as an addition to this small camera, I'm using dedicated DJI Osmo Action ND filters, which are packed in the small cage, as you may see, and those are ND filter 4, 8, 16 and 32, which you are attaching simply by unscrewing the lens cover and screwing the ND filter in the same way. And of course, when you attaching the ND filter, the camera is still waterproofed, so it's a great option. Okay, this was my backup camera, and the one more camera which I'm using to put that extra flavor to my videos is of course this small beast, which is DJI Mini 2, the great, reliable, small, portable drone, for which in Poland, for example, you don't need extra permission, and you can fly with this one in the city, and you don't have to worry about some legal requirements which are, for example, required when flying some bigger drones in the city. So this is a great option also for starting YouTubers, for start with some drone videography, if I may say like that. This small drone you can just put in your pocket and nobody see that you have a drone with you. Even a controller is bigger than the drone itself. So this is also a great option to add some flavor to your videos. I'm also using sometimes this great additional light. This is a Ulanzi chargeable and wireless light. You can use it on the go when you are shooting in low light situation, or for example as a filling light or some rim light if you need one. This is quite strong. You can of course adjust the power, and if you are shooting in a low light situation, this is quite reliable because you can attach it to your camera. So this is quite a good option. Light, small, you can just put it into your camera bag and you have additional light, or a main light if you are shooting somewhere when there is no additional light. To my main camera I'm using also this small Ulanzi Handle, which can be also used as tripod, and small selfie stick. So this is also a good option. This handle is light, small, so you can also put it in the camera bag and use on the go if you need one. And simply speaking, that's it. This is all my camera gear which I'm using on the daily basis. Of course, I cannot show you my main camera because I'm filming myself right now using this one, but as I mentioned previously, I will prepare some quick review of this camera because I would like to encourage you, if you are starting, if you don't know which camera you should choose, you should try this one, because everybody just choosing between Sony, Canon, Nikon, but nobody is trying this small Fujifilm camera, which in my opinion is a great choice for starting YouTubers. So simply speaking, this is it for today. I just wanted to show you all my camera gear which I'm using to film those videos, to shoot my photos, and I would like to start filming outside, but right now we have some strange weather outside. All the time it's raining, it's crazy windy, and there is no possibility to film anything outside, especially when you have not weather sealed camera as I have right now. So you can just film inside like I'm just filming right now, my face. And you can simply ask, what about your studio? Because you are filming in your apartment and you set few videos before that you will be building your YouTube studio. Okay, right now I'm still waiting for some extra money which is required for this build out, and I hope that I will be able to start in the next few weeks after this video, because I have no place in my apartment. I'm just filming in front of my kitchen, so I feel quite uncomfortable right now, and I hope that this build out will be possible within next few weeks. I will be also sharing the details of that build out with you. I hope that you will be interested. If you are, please subscribe for the future videos. If you also liked this video, please hit the like button, comment if you want, ask the question about my gear if you are interested in, and see you in the next videos. Stay tuned, be happy, you realize your passion, and Thank you very much for watching today's video. Bye bye.